Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we'll explore Phoca Cart version 5, designed specifically for Joomla 5. We'll take a look at the new features, improvements, and optimizations that make this version even more powerful for building and managing your online store. Let's get started. Right from the start, we'll skip a few chapters. To showcase the new features, we'll first install one of the newly released templates in our Joomla instance along with the Phoca Cart demo data. For this demonstration, we'll use the Phoca Premier template. This will give us a fully functional e-commerce setup right away, allowing us to dive straight into the latest enhancements and see them in action. So let's start by installing the base template, followed by the demo data for this template, and finally, the demo data for Phoca Cart. All of these packages are included with the Phoca Premier template, making the setup quick and seamless. Now we'll go into the template settings and set our installed template as the default. As we can see in the front end, not only do we have the template and the demo parts of the template installed, but we also have the demo product data for Phoca Cart. We have the demo data installed, so let's take a look at all the new features of Phoca Cart 5. Let's start with the dark theme support. Phoca Cart 5, both in the front end and in the administration, is customized to be used with dark mode enabled. Moving on to images, Phoca Cart 5 supports watermarks in AVIF format. Phoca Cart has long supported the modern WEBP format, and now support for another modern AVIF format has been added. Created thumbnails can then contain watermarks. Phoca Cart 5 introduces enhanced SQL query optimization, significantly improving performance for large stores with tens of thousands of products, thousands of categories, and hundreds of thousands of orders. While product list queries typically use pagination and were not a performance issue, we focused on optimizing category lists, especially when loading them into trees. This area saw the most significant improvements. The latest release of Phoca Cart 5 introduces a major innovation, a brand new multilanguage feature designed to overcome the limitations of previous multilingual support. In earlier versions, Phoca Cart supported the standard Joomla core multilanguage system and external extensions. However, these solutions had some drawbacks. External extensions lacked full plugin support, while Joomla's core multilanguage feature was not ideal for e-commerce. Joomla's core multilanguage feature system assigns a new database ID for each language variant, leading to challenges such as separate stock management for the same product in different languages. To address these issues, Phoca Cart 5 introduces a completely new multilanguage system that operates on the database layer. This solution is significantly faster, more efficient, and eliminates the previous limitations. Additionally, Phoca Cart 5 now supports the N3T language filter extension, which is especially useful for handling parameters stored in global settings. Simply set the Enable Multilanguage parameter to Yes in the Phoca Cart options. After that, when editing products, you will see new form fields for additional languages, such as for the product title or description. This multilanguage feature is fully compatible with Joomla's core multilingual system. Once your Joomla site is configured for multiple languages, Phoca Cart will automatically display translations of various elements based on your Joomla settings. If you use the batch function to copy products and duplicate entire products or just some of their properties, you'll be pleased to know that product batch processing has been significantly expanded with many additional parameters. In Phoca Cart 5, the options for selecting what to include when copying a product have been significantly expanded. Let's move on to the next new feature. If your product is currently out of stock and the customer has the option to view it, they will certainly appreciate the ability to sign up for notifications about when the product will be back in stock. This is what the Back in Stock notification feature is for. If you use schema.org instructions on your website, you'll find it helpful to display these instructions in Phoca Cart as well. By enabling this feature in the Phoca Cart options, schema.org information for the specific product will be shown on the product detail page. Joomla 5.2 introduced the mail template layout feature, which Phoca Cart 5 now takes advantage of for sending emails. This feature allows for greater flexibility in managing email templates by enabling the creation of custom layouts. It not only provides the ability to design personalized templates, but also introduces the option to send various multilingual versions of emails. With this improvement, it's easier to manage both the presentation and language options for outgoing communications. Between Phoca Cart 4 and Phoca Cart 5, several new payment and shipping methods have been added. These enhancements provide users with more flexibility and options when setting up their online stores, ensuring a wider range of payment and delivery solutions to meet different customer needs. Phoca Cart 5 introduces 7 new templates, offering both child templates for the core Joomla Cassiopeia template and standalone templates designed for unique store designs. Child templates for Cassiopeia are Phoca Cart Toys Child Template, Phoca Cart Tools Child Template, Phoca Cart Furniture Child Template, and Phoca Cart Beauty Child Template. These child templates provide flexibility while maintaining compatibility with the default Joomla Cassiopeia template. Standalone templates are Phoca Cart Premier Template, Phoca Cart Horizon Template, and Phoca Cart Gourmet Template. These 3 standalone templates stand out for their simplicity and efficiency. What makes them particularly unique is that they do not rely on any external frameworks, yet they offer the same powerful features as framework-based templates. For instance, users can switch to dark mode, customize the layout with additional rows or columns for different module positions, and more, all of which can be set directly within the template settings. Despite the introduction of these new templates, Phoca Cart continues to support popular template frameworks such as Utheme, Gantry, Helix, T4, Asteroid, Sparky, and others. Phoca Cart output is available in the latest versions of Bootstrap or UIKit. UIKit is specifically used for Utheme templates, with full support for the latest Utheme Pro. Very interesting extensions are currently being created for this framework, such as PC UIKit and others. Phoca Cart 5 doesn't require a backward compatibility plugin as it is built for Joomla 5. Additionally, some parts of the code are being prepared for future Joomla versions, ensuring smooth compatibility with Joomla 6 when it is released. In conclusion, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to everyone who contributed to the development of version 5. As seen on GitHub, the development and testing process has been extensive, with over 100 development versions of the Phoca Cart 5 beta. A big thank you to the developers, testers, everyone who writes documentation, and those who contribute translations for Phoca Cart. We also appreciate all those who help answer questions on the forum, and last but not least, everyone who provided valuable feedback throughout the process. Thank you so much and enjoy the new Phoca Cart.